Moving students from passive listening to active solving is one of the most difficult transitions for an educator to manage. We can bridge that gap by using AI to automate the design process, converting raw industry reports into ready-to-teach activity packs in minutes. This process relies on a systematic three-step workflow: engagement. Step 1 is ground. We begin by opening Notebook LM to establish the factual boundaries for our case. By uploading trusted sources like company annual reports or policy documents, we provide the AI with a specific knowledge base, preventing the risk of hallucinated facts. You then prompt Notebook LM to extract 5 case study ideas. It generates a table that pairs a specific business context with a central dilemma for each concept. Step 2 is reason. We take one of these specific dilemmas and move the workflow into Gemini. Here, you instruct Gemini to expand the idea into a 500-word narrative. The prompt must specify that the story should stop exactly at the decision point, leaving the solution for the students to find. Request that the AI include conflicting stakeholder expectations. This ensures the case includes the organic tension required for a productive classroom debate. Because this narrative originated from your uploaded reports, the stakes feel authentic and the pedagogical tension is grounded in real-world constraints. To turn this narrative into a live exercise, we must now build a systematic interaction framework around the text. For a role play, prompt Gemini to generate confidential instructions for diverse stakeholder roles, giving each student a unique perspective to defend. If you prefer a debate, request specific motions and a set of judging criteria to help students evaluate the strength of different arguments. For a simulation, instruct the AI to define the rounds, the operating rules, and the specific decision points students will encounter as the scenario evolves. You can even generate concept maps to help students visualize how different frameworks and theories connect within the case. Ensure your prompts force the AI to utilize the stakeholder conflicts generated in the previous step. This keeps the activity specific to your source material. In this phase, the AI acts as an architect, defining the rules and constraints that will govern human interaction in the classroom. An active learning exercise is only as effective as the post-activity debrief that follows it. Prompt Gemini to create a progression of questions that guide students through the analysis of their performance. Move from diagnostic questions about what happened in the exercise to reflective prompts about how these lessons apply to future management actions. To finalize the pack, ask Gemini to build a 10-mark assessment rubric. This provides clear criteria for evaluating student understanding and the quality of their recommendations. This leads to the final and most important phase: verify. You must manually check the output for factual accuracy, theoretical alignment, cultural sensitivity, and time feasibility. While the AI provides the scenario and the structure, the faculty member alone curates the final learning moment. By following these steps, you have integrated disparate generated elements into a single cohesive classroom activity pack. You have successfully transformed a static lecture document into a ready-to-teach interactive experience. To begin using this workflow yourself, we have included a master prompt in the video description that automates these steps into a single command. Educators can now reduce the time spent on content production and focus their energy on facilitating high-level student discussions.